What's up, y'all? I'm back, and today I'm here to do a quick video. Actually, one of my subscribers requested me to do a video of me using my doppler, and it's the pocket fetal doppler that I got from Sonoline. That I got from fetaldoppler.net, and it's the pink one, and it got a little thing. And I ran out of my other gel, so I used aloe vera gel, fruit of the earth. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I use the doppler or whatever, and the middle button is what you use to turn it on. And I'm gonna just show you how I use it and just let you hear the baby heartbeat. And it's something else I had to say, I can't think of it. What else? Yeah, guys, pregnant brain. Can't think. Yeah, okay, but yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna show you how I use a doppler, and if you have any requests or anything else y'all want me to do, just let me know and I'll do it. All right, bye. Okay, what I did was I just put the aloe vera gel on the little prong thing. And usually my baby hangs out around on my left side, usually. But we'll see. And to turn it on, I just use the middle button. And what you're looking for is like a galloping sound. That's my heartbeat right there. It's slower. There you go. All that noise, the dunk thing here, he kicking the thing, that's why. There you go, he right down left side like he normally be. And that's it.